Valutrades. Welcome to the Valutrades Basic Trading course. This is a series of videos designed to launch the journey of beginning traders in every aspect of trading with Valutrades. In our first video, let's take a look at your new platform, Metatrader 4 or MT4. You would have received information on opening a demo or a live account from Valutrades, and there are instructional videos available on our YouTube channel on downloading and setup. This is how your MT4 platform will appear when you first open it, so let's take a look around. The chart window is where you will view all of your available instruments, do your analysis, and open and close positions. The Market Watch window is where you can view all the available symbols and their prices available from Valutrades. Just to confirm that you are seeing everything, right-click on the Market Watch, select Show All, and a comprehensive list of instruments will appear. Scroll down and you will see that different asset classes are color-coded, like Stock Indices, Forex, oil, and metals. Don't worry if some of these symbols are grayed out and can't be traded. They are usually expired futures contracts, and we will explain what these are in later lessons. Below that is the Navigator window, which lists your accounts and the installed indicators and expert advisors. Indicators are what we use to help with our technical analysis, either on the chart or below the chart like this one. Expert advisors are programs designed to create automatic trading systems, connect your account to outside servers, and other purposes, and are for advanced trading. The terminal is where you will see your open and pending trades and your account history, among others. On the bottom right of your screen, you will see figures that indicate data flow. If these numbers are moving, that means that you have a valid account and are connected to the internet. If you can't see any of these windows, there is a View menu listing all of these windows, as well as individual icons on the toolbar. If your charts look like these, and you want something a little easier to view, simply right-click on the chart and select Properties. Here you may create a color scheme for your charts. We will explain more about what all this means in later lessons. If you want your new charts to look like this as a default, we will show you how to do that in Lesson 2. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.